Well, you keep asking, so we keep making them. Sniper EFI now offers fuel injection for your Rochester 2GC and non-Jeep Carter BBD applications. So go ahead, replace that old worn-out 2-barrel carburetor and step up to EFI with a Sniper. We've had a huge demand for our Sniper BBD kits for the Jeeps, but the throttle linkage was, well, let's just say it's less than friendly for anything but a Jeep. That's exactly why we designed our Universal Sniper 2GC kit. It offers the same great features and benefits found on the BBD, but sports a universal throttle linkage with GM transmission kickdown provisions, allowing you to use it on a wider variety of applications. It also works with most OEM air cleaner assemblies. So if you have an engine from the 50s, 60s, or 70s with a Carter or Rochester 2-barrel sitting on top, chances are Sniper 2GC can replace it. Packed with the proven reliability of our original Sniper, the 2GC EFI system uses two 100-pound-per-hour injectors to support up to 350 naturally aspirated horsepower. It also offers the same great features like simple 4-wire hookup, OEM-style sensors, a full-color touchscreen display, true self-tuning with the Bosch wideband O2 sensor, built-in fuel pressure regulator, and a throttle body mounted ECU. Sniper 2GC EFI kits can end hard starting, improve your throttle response, reduce hesitations, and all but eliminate the vapor lock and percolation issues when using modern fuels in those classic cars. Get even more out of your classic engine, add a plug-and-play Hyperspark distributor, ignition box, and coil, and you'll be in full control of your ignition timing. So whether you're cruising an antique, restoring that old truck, or just want to improve the drivability of your classic hot rod, stop rebuilding and adjusting that old carb and replace it with a 2GC kit from Sniper EFI. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Sniper 2GC or any of our other fuel injection products, visit our website, sniperefi.com.